Hey guys, so today it's very rainy, as you can clearly see. So it's very rainy, so we're not gonna walk around today. So we're just gonna drive by through like towns and villages and stuff and show you guys a few things. So yeah, and we'll show you things along the road as well.